Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the account and app so settings are editable. Sign into the Meta Quest mobile app with the account that controls parental locks. This must be the parent or guardian account. Once done, make sure the headset appears under Devices and both phone and headset are on the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures the app can query headset settings. If the headset is offline, you cannot change parental controls, so reconnect it before proceeding to settings. You now navigate inside the app to the supervision controls. Tap Devices, choose your Quest 2, then open Settings and locate Family Center or Parental Controls depending on your app version. Once there, select the supervised user or the device level restriction you want to change. You must authenticate as the supervising account, enter your Meta password, PIN, or approve via prompt. This step ensures only authorized adults can remove limits, protecting account security while allowing you to edit content and time restrictions. You finish by disabling or removing supervision and verifying the headset reflects the change. Toggle off content restrictions and time limits or choose Remove Supervision for that user, then tap Save or Confirm. Make sure to restart the Quest 2 if the app requests it so settings propagate. If changes don't apply, make sure the Meta app is up to date, the supervising account has full permissions, and both devices are online. As a troubleshooting tip, re-authenticate the parent account and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.